Vivo S50 Pro Mini and the standard Vivo S50 were launched in China. The Vivo S50 in 4 color options: Confession White, Space Black, Serene Blue, and Inspirational Purple. It will have an iPhone-like triangular camera setup housed in a square camera island with rounded corners. The Vivo S50 could be equipped with a 6.59-inch OLED screen that offers 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The Vivo S50 is powered by Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 SoC, up to 16GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM, and up to 512GB of UFS 4.1 onboard storage. The phones feature a 50MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide camera, 50MP 3x periscope telephoto camera, and a 50MP front camera. The Vivo S50 packs 6,500 mAh batteries with 90W wired fast charging support. Vivo S50 price starts at 2,999 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.